Hey, so today we are going to study about the elements of our Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is an extensive collection of stars, glowing nebula, gas, and dust united by gravity. Scientists believe that a black hole, which is the remains of a massive star, is situated at the center of many galaxies. The black hole, which is in the center of Milky Way galaxy, we call it Sagittarius A. The galaxy that contains our solar system is called the Milky Way or Akashganga. There are several elements that form our galaxy, and in today's session, we are going to learn about these elements. The first element which we are going to study today is called galaxy dust. Galaxy dust is basically the space between the stars is filled with gas and tiny piece of solid particles or dust. Most of this gas and dust result from the death of stars, which either exploded or blew off their outer layer, returning their material to space. From this material, new stars are born. Mostly these gas and dust can be detected using infrared light. So galaxy dust is one of the important element of our Milky Way galaxy. The second element of our galaxy is spiral arms. The Milky Way has spiral arms coming out of its central bulge. These arms are made up of young, bright, blue stars, white stars, as well as dust and gas. There are stars that lie between these spiral arms. However, they are not as bright. These stars slowly orbit the central bulge following their own path. They take several 100 million years to complete their orbit. For example, our solar system with all the planets takes millions of years to revolve once around the center of Milky Way galaxy. The third element for our Milky Way galaxy could be star nursery. You heard me correct. Star nursery or stellar nursery. Stars are formed within clouds of hydrogen gas. A part of the cloud then forms a dense ball of gas. More gas is attracted because of gravity, thereby compressing the ball into a tighter and hotter mass. As a result, a nuclear fusion is triggered, which converts hydrogen into helium and radiates energy as a very bright star. And this is the third element of our Milky Way galaxy, stellar nursery. The fourth element of our Milky Way galaxy are hot blue stars. Stars get their color depending on their temperature. The coolest star appears red, while the hottest ones appear blue. For a star, its temperature is determined by its mass. Blue stars have at least 3 times the mass of the Sun or even more. The interesting fact is, whether a star has 10 times the mass of the Sun or 150 times mass of the Sun, it appears blue to our eye. So blue stars are also one of the building block of galaxy. Now the fifth element that forms our Milky Way galaxy or any galaxy could be the central bulge. A galaxy contains stars, gas and dust. In a spiral galaxy such as the Milky Way, our galaxy, the stars, gas and dust are organized into a bulge and disk containing spiral arm and a halo. The bulge is a round structure made up of old stars, gas and dust. The outer part of the bulge are difficult to distinguish from the halo. The bulge of Milky Way is roughly 10,000 light years across. 10,000 light years across. After the central bulge, black hole could be the elements of our galaxy, one of the popular element of our galaxy. Black holes are huge but surprisingly cover only a small region. Because of their mass, they have an extreme powerful gravitational force. Nothing can escape from them. Even light is trapped by a black hole. Black holes consist of three parts: the outer event horizon, inner event horizon, and singularity. The event horizon is a boundary around the mouth of the black hole from where light loses its ability to escape. Nothing can come out of that event horizon. So that is the outer circle of a black hole. The singularity lies at the center of the black hole. It is a one-dimensional point that contains infinite mass and is very small. It's said that even time stops in the center of black hole. So I think black hole is one of the element which represents our galaxy, which is majorly present in our galaxy. The last element, which I think is one of the building block of our galaxy, and in fact all the galaxies in the universe, is dark matter. Dark matter is a kind of matter that cannot be seen using a telescope or any instrument like naked eye or direct telescope. However, it accounts from most of the matter in the universe. Dark matter is present approximately 23% in our universe, and it's one of the most important element, one of the important element of our Milky Way galaxy. So that's all for the elements of Milky Way galaxy. Although there are many things in Milky Way galaxy, but these are important elements. Like today we talked about galaxy dust, spiral arms, star nursery, hot blue star. We talked about central bulge, black hole, dark matter, and these are the elements of our Milky Way galaxy. See you tomorrow, same time, with a different lesson.